Welcome to my channel, Flights Assistance. Bad news for Hawaiian Airlines. Hawaiian Airlines is facing significant challenges, including financial losses, Boeing 787 delivery delays, and increased competition from Southwest Airlines. The airline also struggles with fleet maintenance issues, declining tourism demand, and rising environmental compliance costs. Weather-related disruptions, labor disputes, and uncertainty surrounding its merger with Alaska Airlines add to its troubles. Additionally, high operating costs make it difficult to remain competitive. As these obstacles mount, Hawaiian Airlines must find strategic solutions to stabilize its operations and secure future growth. Financial losses continue. Hawaiian Airlines has reported continued financial losses due to rising operational costs, fuel price volatility, and reduced passenger demand in key markets. The airline is struggling to return to profitability despite efforts to cut expenses. Boeing 787 delivery delays. The airline had placed orders for Boeing 787 Dreamliners to modernize its fleet, but delays in deliveries due to supply chain issues and manufacturing setbacks have forced Hawaiian Airlines to continue relying on older aircraft. Competitive pressures. The airline is facing increased competition from carriers like Southwest Airlines, which has aggressively expanded its inter-island and mainland Hawaii routes, offering lower fares and more flight options for passengers. Fleet maintenance challenges. Older aircraft in Hawaiian Airlines fleet, including the Airbus A330s and Boeing 717s, require frequent maintenance, leading to higher costs and occasional disruptions in flight schedules. Decline in tourism. Demand. Tourism to Hawaii has fluctuated due to global economic uncertainties, higher airfare costs, and changing travel preferences. The decline in visitors has significantly impacted Hawaiian Airlines' revenue. Environmental regulations and costs. Hawaiian Airlines is facing increasing pressure to comply with new environmental regulations, including stricter emissions policies and sustainable fuel mandates. These initiatives add to operational expenses and long-term planning challenges. Weather-related disruptions. Hurricanes, storms, and other adverse weather conditions frequently disrupt Hawaiian Airlines operations, leading to delays, cancellations, and increased recovery costs. Labor disputes and staffing issues. The airline has faced labor challenges, including pilot shortages and contract negotiations with unions. Disruptions in staffing levels have led to operational inefficiencies and service issues. Airline merger uncertainty. Hawaiian Airlines' planned acquisition by Alaska Airlines has raised concerns among employees and customers about potential changes in routes, branding, and job security. Regulatory hurdles could further delay or complicate the merger process. High operating costs. Operating costs for Hawaiian Airlines remain high due to its unique geographical challenges, reliance on long-haul routes, and expensive airport operations in Hawaii. These factors make it difficult to compete with larger mainland-based carriers. As Hawaiian Airlines navigates these difficulties, it remains to be seen how the carrier will adapt and whether strategic changes can help it regain stability and growth. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.